Welcome to this video titled, Who is the Holy Spirit? We will explore a guide to God's presence with us. We are going to be focusing on understanding the counselor sent by Jesus, who is the promised gift. The Holy Spirit is not just a force or a feeling. He is a person who has feelings, thoughts, and a will. He speaks to our hearts and minds and is the third person of the Trinity. The Spirit's roles include the helper, giving us strength, the teacher, helping us understand the Bible and truth, and the comforter, bringing us peace and hope. Let's look at symbols in the Bible that describe the unseen presence of God. Symbols include the wind, which is unseen but powerful, fire, which purifies our hearts and gives us passion, and the dove, a symbol of peace and gentleness. The Spirit helps us with decision-making, offering prayer support, and empowering us with unique gifts to help and serve others. As we grow closer to Him, the Spirit grows fruit in our lives: love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. The Holy Spirit is a gift for everyone, available to every believer. He is God's gift to every person who follows Jesus and helps you grow toward perfection. Jesus promised, "But the Helper, the Holy Spirit, whom the Father will send in my name, He will teach you all things and bring to your remembrance all that I have said to you." How can we grow closer to the Spirit every day? The answer is by listening daily. Thank you for watching this video. We hope this has been a helpful guide to understanding the Holy Spirit.